Your report will have to wait, Lieutenant. The Covenant are jamming all comms to command. Cat needs your help running a counter-op. It's good to have you back. Sorry I came alone. Make him proud.
Put your wings back on, Lieutenant. We're flying this Falcon. Covenant have deployed comm jammers in high-rises across the city. When I find them, you hit them. Hard. Stand by, 6. One of our trooper squads went silent after the hospital got hit. I'll mark the location. Complete their mission and take out the jammer.
I'm clear. Clear.
Contacts, 2 and 10 o'clock. I'll hold them off so you can get to the other side. Through that doorway! Move! More brutes! Stay back, you stinking bastards!
I said back off, you nasty son of a bitch. Fire. Got it.
Right over here.
Noble 2 to Noble 6. I'm showing the hospital jammer offline. Nice work. Soon as you can, I need you back in your Falcon. Noble 2 to Noble 6, you've got incoming tangos.
Got jumpers. but it cost us.
We're good here, sir. You can head back to your bird. We need help pronto. Uploading waypoint now. Over.
Copy 1 Alpha 3. Noble 6, proceed to waypoint and keep those troopers ahead.
There's more of them.
Multiple contacts! I put a bird on that one.
Well, that sent a message.
Switching targets! Got you. Get me in range!
We're clear. Thanks for the help, Sierra.
Report Charlie 2-7 to command. Request immediate assistance.
Go ahead, 2-7.
We're at the Virant Telecom Tower. Got hunters between us and the jammer.
Copy 2-7. Help is on the way. Noble 6, I'm sending you coordinates for the Byron Tower. Go get those troopers unstuck.
Clear here!
We're clear.
Contact!
Welcome to my metal tent. All right.
Weapon is hot! Give me an angle! I'm clear.
Fall back, 4 Delta! Fall back! Defensive positions! We'll cover you. Stay down. We just gotta hold out a little longer.
That got him. Over here, Spartan. Thanks for the hand. Almost at it. Jammer's on the upper level.
Jammer offline. Well done, Nova 6. Head back to your Falcon.
We got things under control, Lieutenant. Head on out.
I hope that hurts, rats. Banshee! Get in, she goes!
Command, this is Gunnery Sergeant Buck with the 11th ODST, over.
Copy, Gunnery Sergeant. Go ahead.
Phantom's got one of my squads paid. I need to take it out and evac my troopers.
Eyes on the prize. Bloody know where that came from. Area secure. Not a tango in sight. I've got contacts.
Dropship inbound.
Keep firing, ladies!
Give me an angle! Stay on target! Clear!
I owe you one, Spartan. I'll see you in hell.
Heads up! Banshee!
Mayday! Mayday! 7 Delta, 1-9er to all UNSC forces.
What's your status, 1-9er?
We found the jammer, but we're getting hit. Request immediate assistance. Synovia Center is... Oh!
You still with me, 1-9er? 7 Delta, 1-9er. Do you copy? 6, help those troopers if you can. But get that jammer offline either way. This is the last jammer, 6. You're almost there.
You want some too?
Spit hot lead!
Approaching the objective, 6. Watch for hostile fire.
I killed that one! Just keep shooting! Get that turret!
Noble 2 to Noble 6. I'm still getting nothing from those troopers. You may have to take care of this jammer yourself. On the north landing. You're close to the jammer. Destroy it. It's a trap. Get the hell out of there. Noble 2 to Noble Leader. All jammers are down.
Solid copy, Noble 2. New orders. All personnel are to be evacuated from ONI HQ. Say confirm.
Confirm Oni Tower evacuation.
Noble 2! Noble 2, sit rep!
Copies are hitting the HQ in force. They must have zeroed my signal.
Get that evac started!
Roger that. Noble 6, get over here and cover our evac pelicans. I need you overhead now.
Command, this is Whiskey 3-5. I've got my eyes on 6 long-range shade turrets in the vicinity of the Oni Tower, making life pretty tough on our evac birds.
Copy, Whiskey 3-5. Noble 6, take out those heavy shades.
In your face!
That's one.
Clear! We got hostiles.
Another shade turret down.
Inbound.
Whiskey 3-5, you're clear to proceed with evac.
Copy, Command. Much obliged.
Noble 6, lose those other shade turrets so the pelicans can be counted here.
Whiskey 3-5 to Command. We need those shade turrets gone.
Copy 3-5. Go, Lieutenant. Shade turrets are priority 1. That's the 4th shade. Whiskey 3-7, we may proceed with evac.
Solid copy, Command. Appreciate the help.
Noble 6, you've got to neutralize the remaining shades for our evac burns. Whiskey 3-6, proceed with evac.
I copy, Command. Thanks.
Noble 6, you're one stilly I expected. I'm extending the landing pad now. Come home, Lieutenant.
Look at this place. Used to be the crown jewel. Not anymore. Hey, you made it.
It's a regular family reunion. Keep him. I gave him to you. I'll honor him my own way.
George always said he would never leave Reach.
The big man was sentimental.
He gave his life thinking he'd just saved the planet. We should all be so lucky.
Sir, that true about Gauntlet Red and Echo teams assigned to civilian evac ops?
Those are senior-level communiques.
I hear what I hear. Point is, why put Spartans on defensive deployments?
I need that link to SATCOM, Cat.
Chasing it. But this console's got more shrapnel in it than transceivers. You didn't answer my question.
You want to know if we're losing?
I know we're losing. I want to know if we've lost. Colonel Holland, hailing us. What's he doing on an open channel?
Let's hear it.
In the southwest quadrant of the city. Over. Sierra 259. If you are receiving, I am authorizing override of radio security protocols to link with this channel.
How long for a secure link?
I can't guarantee secure anymore.
Could Covenant trace it to us?
I could.
Noble Leader, this is a Priority 1 hail. If you are receiving, acknowledge immediately.
Keep it brief.
Carter here. Yes, sir.
We got movement. Multiple Covenant vehicles vacating the area. And they're in a hurry.
How often you see Covenant retreat for no reason?
Radiation flare. Big. 40 million root guns.
Just lost Holland. What's going on?
Atomic excitement scrambled the signal. 90 million now.
Source?
Airborne. Close.
How close?
That close! First glassing? Me too. Don't worry, I'm on it. Our best option is a fallout bunker on sub-level 2. 96 meters northeast. We get orders from Holland, sir?
We're being redeployed to Sword Base.
Sword? Covenant own it now!
Which is why they want us for a torch and burn op. Keep Dr. Halsey's excavation data from falling into enemy hands.
If it hasn't already.
Maybe, but according to Holland, the Covenant are still hunting for something.
Where does he get off calling a demolition a Priority 1?
Come on, get in!
Let's go! Come on!